how to calculate the surface area of a triangular prism in 89 seconds. Let's go. Let's say we want to answer this question, guys, where we get given a triangular prism and we get asked to calculate the surface area. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to work out the areas of each of our faces, and then we're going to add together those individual areas. Let's get it done. First of all, let's work out the areas of these two triangular faces. And on the end, we know to calculate the area of a triangle, we can do a half times by base times by height. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. We're going to do a half times by our base of 3 times by our height of 4, and then we're going to multiply that by 2 because we have two of these end faces. Next, let's work out the areas of these rectangular faces on the sides of our prism. Now, we can see that both of these faces have this diagonal length of 5 centimeters and a width of 11, and both of them are rectangles. So to calculate the area of each of them, we can do 5 times by 11, and then we're going to multiply that by 2 because we have two of these rectangular faces. And finally, we need to add the area of this bottom face. What's it going to be? We have a width here of 3 centimeters and a length of 11 centimeters. So we can work out the area of this rectangular face by doing 3 times by 11. Let's write that in, 3 times by 11. Finally, simplifying, what are we going to get? A half times 3 times 4 times 2. That is going to be 12. So we're going to have 12 plus 5 times 11 times 2. That's going to be 110. So we can write that in. And finally, 3 times 11, that's going to be 33. Adding all of those together then, guys, that's going to be 155. So that is our final answer, 155 centimeters squared.